If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for COUPANG with the ticker symbol CPNG. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like COUPANG isn't getting any love from the market pulling back. It looks like we're still seeing signs of weakness for this stock because we're not getting above this EMA on the daily chart and even the weekly chart, which I'll show you guys later on in this video. So let's take a look at the major pattern. You can see that we have been in a spike in channel working lower. I believe this is the channel that COUPANG was respecting, and it looks like it has played out. I keep on going back and forth where the channel is, but I think this is the more accurate one to follow. So this one is played out, but normally we get two legs down to a new low. So this was the first leg down right here. First impulse, we had a correction up. Looks like a two-legged correction that was working higher. This was the first correction up, or the first impulse of the correction, and then we had the second impulse of the correction. And near the tip of this arrow, prices started to stall out and reverse. You can also see that we came back to test the previous breakout level, and we cannot pass through this resistance level that formed, which is at the $26 level. So it looks like prices continued lower and made another large impulse down. So if you make a measured move, the target that I have for COUPANG is right at the $13.46 level. It looks like it's possible to reach, especially because you can see that we have this downtrend channel that looks like it's in play. If I connect the swings, this looks like the channel that prices are respecting, and I drag it down. So just recently we had a first break of this channel and a break outside of this uptrend retracement channel. So this one already looks played out to me because we had a new high of the breakout of the channel, and then looks like we're starting to consolidate, and looks like it wants to reverse, just like what happened over here where we had a channel working higher. That doesn't mean we reversed right away when we had the first break of the pattern. You can see this was the first break because these price bars are not inside the pattern any longer, but we still went up to retest the previous high, and we obviously exceeded it by a decent amount before we reversed down. And same thing for this downtrend channel. We had a channel working lower. We had a first break of this channel, but prices didn't reverse. Obviously we had a large retracement back up. Let's take a look at the percentage amount, 63% gain from the lows of this down move, but we still went back to retest the previous low and even exceeded it. So right now I think the pattern is still going to continue to repeat for this orange channel working lower. Well, we had the first break of the orange pattern, and it looks like the prices want to go down to retest the previous low at the $15 level. So that's what it looks like to me. Either we're going to do that, or this is going to be a massive short trap. We'll have to wait and see. The market is pulling back for a bunch of other stocks, so maybe COUPANG can follow in the footsteps of those companies as well. We'll have to wait and see. This chart does not look that bullish as other charts look, surprisingly. Even though I like this company a lot, it just does not scream bullish to me at all. It looks like we want to drop down a little bit lower. Maybe even make a new all-time low. So this chart looks still bearish, but I'm very bullish in the long term. So where's my target? I think we're gonna reach that $13 level probably next month if the prices continue to drop lower. Let's just say I'm wrong and we start reversing to the upside. Well, where are we going? There's a gap over here that could be filled at the $21 level, even the high $21 level, and we could possibly come back to retest this previous breakout at the $26 level. So I'm slightly more bearish than bullish because of the downward momentum that we're currently facing in this market, and all the other bearish signs that I showed. So let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So here's the weekly chart for COUPANG. It's a fairly new kid on the block because it IPO'd last year March, I believe. So not a lot of price action on the chart. to make a strong analysis for it, but you can see let's analyze what's currently happening, and we're still continuing to work lower in this spike in channel downtrend. We're still making lower lows, lower highs. We're not seeing any break of the pattern or a new high in place and making higher highs. That's what we want to see. Right now we're just still doing this, and prices are not showing anything that can change. So we want to see prices make a new high and start making higher highs and higher lows. Right now we're not doing that. We're still inside this yellow downtrend channel, still very bearish. There is a longer term measure move that could be reached. I'm not saying COUPANG could reach this, but it's a possibility. This would be the first impulse, and this looks like the second impulse after the two-legged correction. And this target is right at the $7, $8 level. So it's a very low target, but it is technically possible if this downtrend stays intact and the bears are stronger than the bulls. As right now, there looks like more downside coming, or maybe just sideways action. We could probably get a breakout side of this channel if the bulls are that strong, but we still have a long way to go to see a reversal for this stock. So that's everything I have for COUPANG. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.